So we're down here in Key West, downtown, and we are filming a sneak peek of the boats that are going to be racing this whole week in Key West. The first race is on Wednesday, and we will be having front row seats down at the race course, and we will be providing you guys with video of the races. This is something we love every year. We get excited about it. I don't know why, because man, there's a lot of money being thrown around here, and it's not money that I would spend, but they love it, so we're going to do it. So come on with us. We got more video coming up.
Okay, so we have it on record that Matt says that we can sell his truck to get him this one. It's on record. What do you guys think?
Hey, so thanks for watching. We got a lot of good video. You guys should see a lot, and we have upcoming races. You guys should see all that. We'll be down there taking video. So keep watching. Subscribe now to see the action.